Hello, New School Babywood here. Today I screwed up. I screwed up on the earlier video. And I had it all, it was like this. Oh god. It's like this. So you can barely see this. That's why I saw this one going on. But yeah. This will be best of 5 with me screwing up. But yeah, I was showing you guys a kit in the last video, or at least the video that you won't see. If you want to see a screw up video on my part, like a blooper thing, let me know. So I will actually do that. But yeah, let me show you this before. Okay, guys, I had to get this together, but yeah, I was gonna show you this first. This is one of my favorite kits. I might do a kit, top 5, top 10 kits I got so far. So yeah, not unicorn. Goddamn, my second favorite kit, Gundam. No. This is the Gundam Wing EW, Gundam Wing 0 EW, custom, type of deal. Mark II Gundam. I want to see I'm reading the manga right now, but I want to see a anime for the Crossbone Gundam. And of course, one of my favorites. No, Unicorn Gundam in destroy mode. I still had it transform. I'm gonna keep it transformed like this. But I might do some more stop motions with it. And, oh god, no! And here's the biggie, the big guy. That took me a while to do this. I know I haven't uploaded a lot of these guys, but oh god, Char. And Char is one of my favorite characters by far. And I have full full kit I'll be building after making videos, so yeah. I still have this guy. This is a real grade kit, so yeah. The top half of this one took me a few hours. I started around 6:37 for this, and the top half, it didn't get done till like 3:30 something. So yeah, best of 3 and best of 5 versus 2. Let's go. This was an intense battle for the last one, so I wish I would have got that on video, but yeah. It's actually a tie, 5-5, when I was the last one. Q&A video will be out. I'll be doing that soon too. After I get a few more of these videos, and also Louis battles will be doing some Louis battles. 1-0. But yeah, Louis has definitely grown on me as a character. Free, he's okay. I will do more on him in the Q&A video for one of the last comments. But yeah. Oh no! 1-1. on, go now. 2, 1. And for Louis, I will be doing his first battle and then his latest battle. So stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to do that for Shu and everything like that too. Two. Switching to another mode that was actually already in when I was doing that, and that was a crazy burst. So I might do a GoPro on my chest to show you guys what happens when I'm doing this, because you'll see the parts go at me and fly at me. If you want to see a first person perspective video on me standing up and launching, let me know in the comment section below. And I put on the Mino group to see they voted to see what tournament I should do next. I did in the World Tournament, the balance combo tournament, and judo tournament. Yeah, judo combo tournament. If you guys are new, welcome. But the judo combo tournament is basically a classic version. I'm probably going to do that classic thing soon. And actually, fuck it, I'll do that. Okay, tie. 2-2. Three, 2-2. Wow, I'm double KO'd. Three. Also, we'll be getting this guy this extra piece tomorrow when this video goes out. Four, 2-2, and 3. last one. I'm gonna try something. I saw this on a little post. Nope. Okay. Oh, shit. Here's your winner. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.